Have you ever stood in the oil aisle, staring at those bottles, and wondered, is synthetic oil really worth the extra money, or is it just a marketing trick? Today, we're cutting through the hype and giving you the honest truth for your car. Hey everyone! If you care about your car, your wallet, or just want to make smarter choices, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of engine oil. We'll break down what synthetic oil actually is, how it compares to conventional oil, and whether it's really better for your car. Let's get started. First, let's clear up what synthetic oil actually is. Synthetic oil is man-made. It's created in a lab, using chemical processes to build oil molecules from the ground up. It means every drop is designed to be as pure and consistent as possible. Conventional oil, on the other hand, comes straight from the ground. It's refined, but it still has impurities and inconsistencies. Think of it like comparing filtered water to spring water. Both will hydrate you, but one is a little more predictable. Synthetic oil often includes special additives, too. These help protect your engine, keep it clean, and make it last longer. But does that really matter? Let's find out. So, what's the real difference between synthetic and conventional oil? Let's break it down. First, synthetic oil handles heat better. It doesn't break down as quickly when your engine gets hot. That means better protection, especially if you drive in extreme temperatures. Second, synthetic oil flows better in cold weather. On a freezing morning, it gets to your engine parts faster. That means less wear and tear during startup. Third, synthetic oil resists sludge and deposits. Over time, conventional oil can leave gunk in your engine. Synthetic oil is designed to stay cleaner, longer. And finally, synthetic oil usually lasts longer between oil changes. That means fewer trips to the shop, and maybe even saving money in the long run. Let's bust a few myths. Myth 1, you can't switch back and forth between synthetic and conventional. Not true. You can switch anytime, as long as your car doesn't require synthetic only. Myth 2, synthetic oil causes leaks. It doesn't cause leaks, but it can reveal existing ones, because it flows better. Myth 3, synthetic oil is just a marketing gimmick. Nope. There's real science behind it. But it's not always necessary for every car. Let's look at some real-world examples. If you drive a brand new turbocharged car, synthetic oil is a must. It's designed for the high heat and stress of modern engines. If you have a 20-year-old sedan that's never seen synthetic oil, you might not notice a big difference. But if you want to keep your engine as clean as possible, synthetic is still a good option. If you're on a tight budget, and your car doesn't require synthetic, conventional oil will still protect your engine, just change it regularly. So, is synthetic oil really better? Yes, if you want the best protection, longer intervals, and cleaner engines, synthetic oil is the winner. But it's not always necessary. For many drivers, conventional oil is still a solid choice. Here's the honest truth. Synthetic oil is better, but not everyone needs it. Check your owner's manual, consider your driving habits, and make the choice that's right for you and your wallet. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and let me know in the comments, what oil do you use in your car?